Steelmama are the professional manufacturer for roll forming machine in China. This video shows the production process of a high-quality TP40 trapezoidal roofing sheet roll forming machine. The length and quantity of the product are displayed on the PLC touchscreen. It adopts hydraulic drive to automatically position, determine the size and cut the target product. Polished surface and heat treatment for molds can keep the molding plate surface smooth and not easy to be marked when stamping. Commitment: delivery within 45 days, 18-month warranty. Steelmama always give you proper solution.